3 minus 1 is just equals to 2. Here is also 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore, is equals to 0. Okay, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In our case, there is one subtraction, one multiplication, and one subtraction here. Okay, therefore we have to multiply these numbers before this subtraction because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore, first we have to do this multiplication. Okay, therefore 1 times 3, which equals to 3, then 3 minus 3, then minus 3. Okay, therefore here are only the operation subtraction. Okay, so we have to work from left to right. Therefore, we have to subtract first this one. 3 minus 3 is 0, then minus 3. Okay, then 0 minus 3 is just equals to negative 3. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, therefore, our correct answer is negative 3.